हर घर में हो खुशियाँ, हर घर में हो दिवाली। मैं महेंद्र जी दीपावली के इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। दीपावली यानी खुशियों का त्योहार। भारत के सबसे बड़े और सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण त्योहारों में से एक है दिवाली। दिवाली को दीपावली अर्थात दीपों का त्योहार भी कहा जाता है। ये त्योहार पूरे भारतवर्ष में बड़े हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया जाता है। इस पर्व को केवल हिंदू धर्म के लोग ही नहीं बल्कि अन्य धर्मों के लोग भी बड़ी खुशी से मनाते हैं। हर वर्ष शरद ऋतु में कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या को यह पर्व मनाया जाता है। हिंदू मान्यता अनुसार इस दिन भगवान श्री राम माता सीता और लक्ष्मण के साथ 14 वर्षों के वनवास के पश्चात अयोध्या वापस लौटे थे। उनके स्वागत में अयोध्या वासियों ने घी के दीपक जलाए व मिठाइयां बांटकर खुशियां मनाई। सिख समुदाय के लोगों के लिए भी दीपावली का बहुत महत्व है। इस दिन 1619 ईस्वी में सिखों के छठे गुरु श्री गुरु हरगोबिंद साहिब जी ग्वालियर के किले से 52 हिंदू राजाओं समेत बहाल होकर आए थे। दीपावली स्वच्छता व प्रकाश का पर्व है। आध्यात्मिक रूप से ये अंधकार पर प्रकाश, बुराई पर अच्छाई, अज्ञान पर ज्ञान और निराशा पर आशा की विजय को दर्शाता है। अतः दीपावली का त्योहार हमें प्रेरणा देता है कि हम अपनी आत्म ज्योति को प्रज्वलित करें, अपने अंदर के ज्ञान रूपी दीपक से बाहरी संसार को रोशन करें। इस प्रकाश पर्व के आंतरिक संदेशों को हम अपने जीवन में अपनाएं। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहूंगी कि रोशनी से प्रकाशित यह दीपावली आपके घर में सुख, समृद्धि और आशीर्वाद लेकर आए। आप सबको सोफिया परिवार की तरफ से शुभ दीपावली। तो आइए आज के दीपोत्सव का प्रारंभ प्रार्थना सभा में सम्मिलित होकर करते हैं।
प्रकट हुए तब उनका अद्भुत रूप देखकर माता कौशल्या परम प्रसन्न हुई, जिनकी शोभा को देखकर उन्हीं लोगों के मन मोहित हो जाते हैं। उस स्वरूप का दर्शन कर माता हर्ष से भर गई।
मैं डालू डालू पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पा दे चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैंने आऊं चादर तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब घर आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे ढूंढ लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख तो आज भी दिल पर उड़िए तीर रंग जल जावे कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
A festival full of sweet childhood memories, a sky full of fireworks, a mouth full of sweets, a house full of diyas, and a heart full of joy. Good morning, respected Reverend Father Ashok Masih, respected Sister Principal, Sister Sweta, hard-working teachers, prayerful sisters, and my dear friends. Today I would like to present my views on the Festival of Lights. Diwali has been celebrated in India for thousands of years. Even though Diwali is mainly considered as a Hindu festival, the day marks different events in different communities. Everywhere Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. It is widely known that Hindus celebrate Diwali for Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan and completing Vanvas of 14 years. But this is not the only reason. In Dwapara Yuga, Lord Krishna, an avatar of Lord Vishnu, killed demon Narakasura, the evil king of Pragjyotisapura, near present-day Assam, who had held 16,000 girls in captivity. The Pandavas returned to Hastinapur on Kartik Amavasya as per the Hindu epic Mahabharata. As per another popular tradition, Diwali is celebrated as the day goddess Lakshmi was born from Samudra Manthar, the churning of the cosmic ocean of milks by the gods and the demons. On the night of Diwali, Lakshmi chose Vishnu as her husband and married him. In Sikhism, Diwali is related to an historic event. Guru Hargobind, the sixth Sikh Guru, along with 52 other Hindu kings, was released from captivity by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir on the day of Diwali. In western states such as Gujarat and some other Hindu communities of India, the festival of Diwali signifies the start of a new year. This makes Diwali a nationwide celebration for every community. Families and friends get together, exchange gifts. The Diwali celebration lasts for 5 days in total. It requires a variety of arrangements and rituals that must be followed by people. People light candles in their homes and decorate it with rangolis and beautiful flowers. In their homes, women cook a variety of foods and invite relatives and neighbors on dinner. On the other hand, kids celebrate the festival by lighting the firecrackers in the evening. Diwali is a festival in which families and friends come together to celebrate brotherhood, love and unity. So let us take a pledge to kill the Ravan present in each one of us. We should avoid burning firecrackers to keep our Diwali environment friendly. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
वो आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेंगी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेंगी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेंगी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसेंगी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ
There is a darkness and lights in our lives, but we are one of the lights, the light of all lives. Good morning, dear parents, teachers, and my dear students. I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. I can sense the excitement in the air because of the most grand festival of India, also called as the Festival of Lights, Deepavali. Each and every one of us is looking forward to this festival with great zeal. In fact, a few days before for this festival, the places around us are covered with lights and everything looks green. There is a custom of meeting our close ones like relatives, friends, and sharing greetings as well as gifts is very joyful. We all are very well aware of the importance of Deepavali. So I will not speak much on it, rather I would like to draw your attention towards its significance more. This festival teaches us that darkness cannot prevail permanently. It is dispelled by the light sooner or later. It teaches us to embrace the quality of Lord Ram, who returned to this home Ayodhya after 14 years of long exile. We should learn patience, endurance, perseverance, love and humility which Lord Ram practiced during his exile. Fight against the injustice. Wrong and evil should also be learned by remembering that how Lord Ram fought against Ravan and defeated him. This Deepavali, I have 3 messages for you in the form of 3 significances. First, light. Light, we illuminate a row of diyas in our houses which looks extremely ravishing. This light teaches us to be aware and alert to keep our minds illuminated by learning new knowledge every day and making our minds progressive. Deepavali is a celebration which commends the triumph of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Second aspect is Rangoli. Rangoli is a beautiful, colorful pattern design which is made in the entrance of our houses. From this, we should learn to feel colors in the lives of our loved ones and people around us. We can do this by being positive and happy, by forgiving each other, by helping, sharing, and caring. Last but not the least, the third significance is Puja. Deepavali is not just a festival of lights. It also marks the tradition of offering prayers and worships the goddesses Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth. People worship goddesses Lakshmi for prosperity in their family. Worshipping is one of the such ways to remain connected to the divine. In the end, I would like to sum up with a shlok from Bhagavad Gita. That light of all lights is said to be beyond darkness. Knowledge, the knowledgeable, and the goal of knowledge, seated in the hearts of all. The light is all powerful that it ultimately brings out every hidden secrets, and knowledge acts like a light in one's life. It sets one free from the shackles of ignorance and illiteracy. Wish you all a very prosperous and Shubh Deepavali full of lights. Thank you and God bless you.